everybody, welcome to the Kirsty Meakin YouTube Show. Do you know what we're going to call it?
Figure out what we call
I know. Yeah, it's the Kirsty Meakin YouTube channel. So in this video, I've got something really exciting to open that I've purposely not opened until we actually film, because I thought, you know when it sits there and I keep looking at it and think, oh, I need to open it. I want to see what it's like, but I want you to see it at the same time as I do, so you can see exactly what it's like. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but I'm going to show you now. So I'm going to go grab it. So I've had to come and stand up here. Oh, did you hear me then? Oh, it's terrible. I'm just old. Yeah. The reason I've had to come here is because it's so big. So I've had to, come out the seat and because it's just so big. Anyway, here we go. So, this is it. God, it's nearly as big as me.
Well, it didn't take much.
Cheeky. Right, so I'm going to be really, I don't know what to call this, but I'm using a cuticle thingy to
Basically
open it.
using nail tools.
Yes, I am, yeah. Just,
Do you have any other
utilise
kind of
it.
tools?
No. Why would I? This is going to be one of them. I mean, how would you get in?
Yeah, we'll time lapse this bit.
No, it'll be funny. But the thing is, when I open this, I've been so scared, and I understand why it's got all the fragile tape on it, because, what if I open it and it's broke? I hope not. Right, here we go. So, this is what we're looking like so far. I'm pretty excited! I just love, you know what, this has been handmade as well, this has been handmade, there's been a lot of care and attention gone into this. That's why I'm even more excited. Because I know you can kind of see it a bit on the cameras, but this has got bubble wrap on it, so you can't really see it properly. And I want to give it, all the attention that it deserves. Oh my God, it's looking insane already.
Hey, what's Felicia?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, that is amazing. Oh my God, can you see the detail? Do you know what I love? The depth. There's like depth to it, kind of like nails. When we do like this geode kind of design, but do you know what I mean? It's like this geode, gorgeous design that we do in nails. I've done stuff like this before, but this is like on a massive scale. It's like a massive nail. It's made out of resin, this is. If you're wondering where it's going to go, because it's huge. It's huge. It's heavy. It's not a surfboard. It's not a surfboard.
Yeah, we're not going surfing again.
No, however, it would be quite cool surfboard. So it is a resin tabletop, and it's been made for us by Rachel Sarah. So her name's so it's _.RachelSarah._ and she does the most amazing resin work. She even does like walls and everything, like marbled walls. She's done loads of stuff for salons, and she contacted us and said, would you like me to make you a tabletop for the table? And I was like, yeah, of course. This is not a sponsored video, you know, she's done this for us, and I want to put it on YouTube because it is just, I just knew it was going to be amazing because, you know, I've seen it work and it's really good. But, and I know that there are lots of people probably out there that maybe want something like this or want to have a go at doing something like this. So in lockdown, I actually did quite a lot of resin work. So I love resin. I just love how it develops because it kind of moves as you pour it, and at the time that you need to wait for it to cure, it still moves, and it creates such amazing patterns. Like there's tiny little sort of like cells, kind of like when we did remember when we did the coffee nail? We've done a coffee nail before, and so I just look at this and I just really appreciate the hard work that's gone in to doing something like this. You know, there's a lot of resin. But I especially love the gold leaf, the rose gold leaf in there is just insane. So yeah, I need to get it on the desk now. She asked us what desk we've got. So the desk that we have is an IKEA desk. I'm sure we can link it below somewhere. It's a really useful desk. It's got 2 wide drawers in it. It's great. A lot of salons have got them because they are really useful and they're inexpensive. But we are like taking that desk to the next level. I'm so excited. It's not just going to look like an IKEA desk anymore. It's going to look like an all singing, all dancing, beautiful, like pink, rose, creams, rose gold, geode, gorgeous desk. Right. I've got to clear my desk now and put it on.
That means tidying up.
Yeah, you know, I'm not a fan of that. I don't like tidying up.
Oh, where's Lily when you need her?
I know, Lily's not here either, and I could do with her. Right, so I'm going to lean this up against the our little Welsh dresser. I'm going to be careful. And it's in one piece. Because, I expect sometimes things might go a little bit wrong, but it's so beautiful. I feel like I need a picture by it. I need like a selfie. You know what I mean? Right then. I'm going to clear the desk and we're going to get it on, see how it fits, because I haven't got a clue. If it's my centre of the desk, hopefully it looks similar size. And what I want to see is it going to slide about, how durable it is. But yeah, I'm just going to do some hard work now, some tidying up.
I like this part because I don't come on camera, I can't even help it.
Anyway, now for the moment of truth. Does it fit? How wobbly is it? And is it going to slide and all that? You know, we're going to figure this out. And also, I mean, which way am I going to put it?
Okay.
Because, you know, do I have it? So that's going to the client and then this is my bit. Or do I do it the other way?
Give it a blast.
Well, let's do it this way and just see what I feel. Nails. It's slightly longer. It is slightly.
About an inch on either side, isn't it?
Yeah, about an inch on either side. Longer. But that don't matter. Fits, the width is perfect though. So as I look at it like that, is that, and it's obviously going to make your desk a little bit higher as well because it's what, an inch? Is that about an inch?
So, yeah.
About an inch thick, I think.
Nearly.
Nearly an inch thick.
Yeah.
Does that look all right? Yeah. Does that look better?
Yeah.
Look at the desk. Look at the backdrop. Could we be any more bougie? I don't think we could we really?
I think you're going to give it a good go.
Oh yeah. So yeah, I love it, but it's not sliding now as much. It takes a lot to slide it. But the only other thing we thought about is, if it is too slidey, I've got this tape, this is just from Amazon, it's like a silicone tape. Scissors, see, I don't know where anything is now. I've moved everything. And this tape, this is what I use when I'm putting tape onto, do you know your practice, the nail art practice stands. You get like the little they look like little chess pieces, don't they? I put this on to put a tip on top so I can practice or create designs. So we thought about, well, if it moves too much.
I think it needs it on.
Do you think it does? Not a lot then?
No, I think you could just do each corner.
Not even
one in the middle.
Let's give it a go. Oh my God. I'm a bit hot now. Yeah, that's well and truly stuck, that is. Look.
Cool.
So, if you want to get it, just buy some of this off Amazon. It's like, I don't know what it's called. We'll find a link. I think it's just silicone sticky tape stuff. Double-sided sticky tape. Silicone stuff. I think if you put that in, you'll find it. But I'm really impressed with that. Right, so I'm going to get all my stuff back on, set my desk up, looking all gorgeous. I'm impressed. Thank you so much, Rachel Sarah. You have been amazing. I am actually considering getting her to come to my house and paint my wall in the marble that she does, because it's so amazing. Something a little bit different in my house, so yeah. But we'll vlog that if we do it, we'll vlog it. But yes, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you've enjoyed this little unboxing and testing of the resin tabletop. I will tell you one thing, somebody else has contacted me. They actually contacted me about doing a resin table. And he's going to do me a resin table, but he's going to do like the whole table. It's going to have crystals in it. It's going to have a logo in it and everything. So I'm pretty excited. I mean, who doesn't want 2 resin tables? But we've always said we could do it 2 tables, haven't we, in the studio? Yeah. We have, because...
Just so you'd create more mess on.
We do need 2, so I'm really grateful. So when that happens, that'll be a while though, because it's going to take a long time to do that. But I absolutely love this. And I think I need a dressing table in my house like this as well. It's very smooth. That therapeutic, this. I might just do this all day. There you are, guys. Links will be below. As always, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining us. And I'll see you in the next video.